Man, I can't wait for my friends to get over. For I dug out all my old Nerf guns so we can have this most epic Nerf war in history. What's that? Sounds like you're coming from my closet. I better grab my strong arm and see what it is. Oh, it's just Waluigi. Gee, he lives in my closet, by the way. Nothing to get all worked up about. Oh, that must be my friends. Hmm, they just arrived. Come in, the door's open. Hey, dude. What's up? Nothing much. Mayor Elton Fitz. You don't have to keep calling me that, Mike. Like, like, just because I'm the mayor of your Webkins World account. Hello, Slowpoke Sonic. Again with the nicknames and referencing that I'm slow. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh no, the Boomfoo got out and he's got the RPG. You mofo. Ah, got ya, Mike. No! Ah, Mike! Mike, no! I've been hit! Uh-oh, he's reloading. This is for Poe. Ah! Aye! No more bullets with that gun. Bullets in that gun. Let's rev up. Hey, Mike, can I?